In the next 10 minutes, you'll know exactly how to use AI to generate lead capture pages and ads for your paid projects. And once you know how to do this, you won't need to outsource to expensive agencies or freelancers. You'll be able to come up with an idea, paste in a simple prompt, and get all of the assets that you need ready to start capturing leads. Let's get into it. First, you'll start off with a tool called Lovable. If you would like to try before you buy, I've left a link on the screen here or in the description of this video. You want to start off with a prompt. I would encourage you to add more detail to it, but the structure of it goes like this. First, you want to tell the AI what service you want to promote. In this case, I'm saying I offer toilet repair services. Then you want to guide the AI on how you're going to be sending traffic to the lead capture page. In this instance, it's going to be Facebook ads. So I'm going to be running Facebook ads for leads. Then you need to instruct the AI on what it is you're going to be doing. So you say, I need a well-optimized lead magnet to capture leads. And then you give it further guidance on the specifics. So I want AI to create the offer, the urgency, and also design the form in the best way possible to capture those leads. It'll be up to you to give it further fine details, and you can upload your branding kit, your contact details, and all of that good stuff, and all of the things that can help it create a really strong campaign for you. But we're just going with simplicity right now. Once that's in, we're going to do enter, and what's happening here is AI is reading and understanding our specifics, and now it's going to start building the lead capture page for us. So at this stage, there's really nothing for us to do, and this typically takes anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and fast forward this video to when it's finished building. The AI has finished building, so we're going to click on this button. We're going to open it up. So we have some urgency at the top. We have our form right here. We have some trust badges and more trust badges here. We've got our big promise. We've got some subtext, and we've got some little testimonials. Now you can change all of this by simply saying, hey, change this text in this sidebar right here, but we're not going to get into that today. What I want to show you is how easy it is to actually get a lead capture page up and running. Now, one thing that's really important to understand when using AI to craft your offers, to create your lead capture pages, the messaging of these pages are only as good as what you feed the AI. Now, if you were to hire a professional to build this, the chances are they will tell you that this is not good enough and it will not convert. And that is absolutely true, because when we look at this messaging here, which is toilet problems ? What does this actually mean? Because now I'm wondering, is this for all toilets? What's the fee for this? What's the area this is in? Are there hidden fees? Is there a call out fee? What's the basic rates? And what actually happens is the more the customer needs clarification, the more questions they start asking, and the more they talk themselves out because they feel overwhelmed or a bit of distrust starts being built. Now, where this is done quite well is the questions that I just raised. It said no call out fee, so that's really good. And it even clarified, it says all toilets, all brands. So that was also good as well. It clarified no upfront pricing, so that's really good as well. But we're assuming that people would have continued reading here and here and here, because this is essentially the first thing that we see. And then when we're looking at limited offer, why is that a limited offer? What's the justification? Is it a scare tactic? So although this has done an okay job, it's not done an amazing job. And really, you want an amazing job, because if you're going to be running paid ads to this, you want the cost per acquisition to be as little as possible. So these fine details matter. It's the difference between a lead capture page converting at 5% or 30 to 40%. Because it takes just one word to make or break a lead capture page. So if you don't know what sort of information to put straight into AI, you're always going to get okay-ish results. So bear in mind, the more specific you can be, the better outcome you're going to get. Next, we're going to go ahead and copy all of the text on this page. We're then going to head to ChatGPT and we're going to say, I'm running Facebook ads. I need creators for my lead capture page. Create 5 ads based off the text below. And then you'll paste in all of the text below from your lead capture page. Do and now it's created 5 different ad angles with all the text that we can just copy and paste. But once again, if the text from the lead capture page is not hyper-focused, we are not going to get hyper-focused results. And then we're going to want AI to create some creatives for me as well. Change this to create image. So if we say create a image for ad 1 and then add the image generator on ChatGPT, do enter, this is now taking ad 1 and it's going to create a Facebook ad image for us to use. And then just like that, it's created an image. And then you would just repeat the process, create an image for ad 2, for ad 3, for ad 4, etc. Now on the surface, when you're using AI to build these things, AI will present things in a certain way that feels and looks good until you start investigating the mindset of your prospects, the mindset on why they buy, how they browse, and a weird psychological intuition that they have when it comes to looking at sales pages and reading text. And this is where AI actually fails. So AI is really good at getting the initial infrastructure up and running, but it's really bad at connecting with humans. And that's where a human needs to come in. This is where someone like me comes in, where as a marketing coach, I have a one-on-one chat with you. I extract everything that you know over the years that you've built up, and I help you translate that into outrageously good messaging that connects with your audience, that turns them from a passive viewer into an active buyer. And if you want to have a chat about this, or if you'd like me to do an audit on your marketing and your messaging and what you're putting out there, comment on this video or send me an inbox or book a one-on-one with me, because you're really only a few tweaks away from being wildly successful. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.